Hey, hi, hello. Welcome to Shiksha with Shubha on Google Forms Tutorials Part 2. Now let's get started. Let me go to the browser. I've already opened my email account, and in my previous video I have already shown you how to get into the Google Forms. You have to go to the drive, and in your drive you have to click on new, more, and there you have Google Forms, and either you can pick up a blank form or from the template. Now since I'm going to conduct a test, I'll pick up a template. Now as I told you, I will be conducting a test, so I already have a template on the assessment. Okay, now I've got this template. Here you can mention UT. This is very useful for conducting UTs. UT number 3, and then here I'll mention subject English, class it as. Okay, here it's already given name. Okay, and that is the short answer which is already taken. Email, if you want you can keep it, otherwise you can just delete it. I do not want. Quiz questions, and I do not want, again I'll be deleting. And here it is already taken required. First question, what's the first question? The poem Benjamin Goes Swimming is in the style of. Okay, option 1 climax, option 2 anticlimax, okay, and satire, option 4 dialogue. Now here, after I give all the options, I have here answer key. In the answer key it's already mentioned a correct answer, so I'll remove that. Okay, because this is for the students to answer, and here it's given as 1 point, that is 1 mark. Okay, you can increase it also, 2 marks, 3 marks, however you want it. Okay, and then here I'll give here, you take this pencil, it will edit. The correct answer is, go to the correct answer and mention satire. Satire is the correct answer. Okay, feedback for incorrect answer. Don't mention anything for incorrect answer, because students can write anything on their own, right? So let us only write the correct answer, and this we are going to save it. It will not be shown to them or seen by them. Okay, now I've already done an assessment. Let me go there. Okay, see, these are the questions, and here I've give the meaning for free for all meat. Here if you click on the answer key, answer keys are there, anyone can participate. Okay, and then I've given multiple choice question, I've given short answers, I've given a long answer one. Long answers is the paragraph you have to choose, so that it will give you more lines. for them to type. And then what do you mean, what do you learn from the poem Benjamin Goes Swimming? For everything I've given the answer. See, for example, if you go here, answer key, okay, and I have given the correct answer. Problems can be overcome only by strong determination, and luck favors the brave. So this I have already done, and see the marks also I have given. Can you see the marks? And for every question you have to mark it as required. His wife fell into the water because, see, the once you say required, no, that star mark will automatically come. Okay, this is short answer type, and point is 1 mark. Okay, answer key which they will not know. It's only for my reference when I am correcting. Okay, then she was shocked to see him win. I'll say done. Now what I will do is send. Like I said yesterday, you can either send it by email or create a hyperlink. The hyperlink is here itself. Okay, you can create a hyperlink. See, the hyperlink is created, and you can just shorten the URL. You click on that, shorten the URL, and copy this, and you can put it in the WhatsApp web. Okay, or you can send it through the WhatsApp using WhatsApp web. Okay, now I've already sent this. Now let me go to the responses so that it's easier. Now I've got 15 responses. Now here I've got one response. You can see the name Vivek. Okay, and for name marks is not there. Give the meaning of. Yeah, he's written the right answer, so I'll give the marks here only. Give the meaning for. This is also right. The poem Benjamin Goes Swimming is in the style of satire. Right answer. Okay, now here I've asked for a long answer. Okay, the literary device. See, here is the answer which I've already typed and kept it for my reference, because every time you don't have to look into the textbook or refer the notes. As a literary device, imagery consists of a descriptive language that can function as a way for reader to better the world of piece of literature. Okay, actually he's written everything. Only thing what is not written is about the 5 senses. Okay, that is taste, touch, sight, smell and sound. That's very important, so I give him 1 mark for this. It's a 2-mark question and I give him 1 mark. What do you learn from the poem Benjamin Goes Swimming? Okay, the problems comes in life. It is not life, it is life. To be good, determination, brave, kind and better thing. He is trying to write, but I would have given half marks, but there's no half marking here, so I have to give him 1 mark. He's trying. Sometimes that when they are typing also error may happen. Okay, now Benjamin's wife said that he would come last because Benjamin had not gone to swimming for years. This is right. Only thing is capital letters is something which is missing, where I would tell him the feedback. Okay, it has looked like a food. It has looked like a food. See, this is he's written suit. Now here it's a mistake. Actually he's supposed to check it, so I'll give him 0 for this. His wife fell into the water because she was shocked. Yeah, that's true. That's the right answer. So I just give the marks here then and there itself and say save. Okay, now I go to the spreadsheet which is already created. Okay, now this I have made it bold and I have done rap test and all. Everything you can see here. You can see the time in which the student has sent. Okay, and here marks, some of them I have corrected, so marks also you can see. Vivek P, just now I corrected in front of you, so he's got 7. So this also gets scared. And what is the question and what is the answers they have written? Everything comes in the spreadsheet. This is very easy. This is very easy, friends. Let me tell you. I am sure you can implement it. I hope you like this video. Thank you.